You know, it's kind of funny. We actually spent quite a bit of money, and I'm sure you too spent a lot of money on beautiful floors in your house. We did this just last summer. And then we clean them usually with tools that basically haven't changed in decades. A mop, a bucket, smearing dirty water around. Some questionable water is always in that bucket, and we're just smearing it around. We need to stop that. So today I want to show you something that honestly feels like the next generation of floor cleaning. This here is the Roborock F25 Ultra, and it's a wet and dry vacuum that doesn't just vacuum and mop. It actually uses high temperature steam and hot water cleaning to break down messes that normal mops struggle with. And after using it for a while, I can say that this thing is built for real life messes. And I threw a lot down on the floor here that you'll see in this video. In fact, so much so that my wife was kind of concerned that it wouldn't come up. And I'm sure you guys have kits, pets, kitchen disasters, and those random mystery stains that you just don't want to bother trying to get up. Well, I put this thing to the test and it tackled it. One of the biggest things that separates the F25 Ultra from most wet, dry vacuums is the dual high temperature cleaning system. Instead of just spraying cold water like most cleaners, this machine can actually clean using steam and hot water modes. The steam heats water up to about 356 degrees Fahrenheit, which turns it into pressurized steam that gets sprayed directly onto the floor, and you can actually see it doing the work. That steam helps loosen dried on stains, grass, bacteria, algae, and when you combine that with the suction power, it lifts everything in fewer passes. So if you've ever tried scrubbing something like dried ketchup or dried sauce on the floor with the mop, you know how much elbow grease and annoyance that can be. Steam basically does the scrubbing for you. Then there's also the hot water cleaning mode, which heats water to around 187 degrees Fahrenheit and sprays it directly onto the roller brush. And this is perfect for places like kitchens or dining areas where grease builds up over time and other messes just get stuck to the floor. It actually breaks that down with the hot water on the brush. In fact, watching the steam come out of this thing while it cleans makes me feel super high-techy. But the cleaning power isn't just about the heat. This thing has 22,000 pascals of suction, which is strong enough to pick up both wet and dry messes in a single pass. The other thing that I like is the Jaw Scraper's anti-tangle roller. If you have pets like we do or long hair like my wife does, you know how annoying it is when rollers get wrapped up with hair. This system is designed to keep the roller tangle free, which means less time cutting hair out of your vacuum and more time actually cleaning or just being done with cleaning altogether. The Roborock also adds blue light illumination on the floor, which sounds like nothing. It actually makes it way easier to see the dust and debris that you would normally miss, especially in the darker areas. The dirt just kind of pops off the floor. One thing that impressed me after using this thing for a while is how much thought went into the maintenance of the machine itself. Because let's be very honest with ourselves here. The worst part about cleaning the floors is the fact that you normally have to clean the devices that clean the floors after you're cleaning. That's too much cleaning. With the F25 Ultra, when you dock it, it actually self-washes the roller using high temperature steam and water to remove dirt and bacteria. And then it even checks to make sure it did a good job before it uses hot air drying at about 194 degrees Fahrenheit. So the roller dries completely instead of just sitting there wet and getting very funky. You can even choose between a fast 5-minute dry or a quieter 30-minute drying cycle. And that's something that I really appreciate because nobody wants their cleaning tools smelling like a science experiment, which, by the way, will happen in less than 24 hours. Another area where this vacuum stands out is the maneuverability. Roborock uses something called Side Tech 2.0, and it basically allows you to vacuum and wash with power-assisted movement, and it feels just so much lighter, pushing and pulling it across the floor. It also has Flat Reach 2.0, which lets the vacuum lay almost completely flat. That means it can slide under beds, couches, or furniture without losing any suction power. And if you've ever tried cleaning under furniture with a traditional vacuum, you know how awkward that can be. I mean, it just doesn't work usually. So this design makes a huge difference where you can get this thing in and clean at. Something else that is really cool with the powered wheels on this thing is that from the mobile app, you can kind of remote control this thing to go forward and backwards in its lay flat mode. So you can really get deep under deep pieces of furniture. Pretty cool. Now, something else I like is that it uses smart dirt detection. There's actually sensors that monitor how dirty the floor is and automatically adjust the cleaning power when it detects heavier messes. So it's not just blasting maximum power everywhere. It adapts as it goes depending on what it senses on your floor. And that helps both efficiency and battery life. Now, Roborock also makes another model called the F25 GT, which I've also been testing out, and it's designed as a more entry-level wet and dry vacuum. So be sure to check that one out if the price point of the Ultra is a little out of your range. It has all the features like edge-to-edge cleaning and tangle-free rollers for everyday messes. But the F25 Ultra is their flagship model, and the big difference is the steam and high-temperature cleaning system built into it, which really takes deep cleaning to another level. I absolutely love how close I can get up to baseboards and furniture and cabinets with the F25 Ultra because it literally goes right up to the edge and you're not leaving any nastiness right along the baseboards or your cabinets. Here I am doing a side-by-side test on a wet-dry vacuum that has no steam cleaning technology built into it, and that's this white one here that I'm using. And as you can see, it takes multiple passes to get the job done, whereas the Roborock F25 Ultra, it literally just is a front and backwards, and it was very, very clean. So if you want the most powerful cleaning experience, the Ultra is definitely the one to look at. And honestly, the biggest thing this changes is how fast you can clean your house and your floors. Instead of vacuuming, then mopping, then dealing with sticky floors, you can basically handle everything in one pass. No taking a paper towel and scooping up all the nastiness first. So for busy households, especially with pets or kids running around, that's a huge time saver. Roborock even claims it can remove 99.99% of bacteria through the high temperature cleaning process, which is great if you care about keeping your floors hygienic. Most of the time, you're just moving that bacteria around on your floor. So especially for homes where kids and pets spend a lot of time on the floor, this is kind of a must-have, honestly. Now, if you're interested in checking this out, the Roborock F25 Ultra is currently part of their spring sale, where it's discounted by $300, bringing the price down from $799 to $499, and you can find it on Amazon, Best Buy, Target, and the Roborock official store. Of course, I've put all the best prices in the link description of this video. And don't forget, if you're looking for that more budget-friendly version of this, the F25 GT is a very good choice, and it's also on sale. So check out those links in the description. Overall, I think the Roborock is doing something really interesting here. They're basically taking the idea of vacuum mop and pushing it into a high temperature cleaning system that actually feels closer to commercial grade cleaning tools. More power, more automation, and way less effort, which honestly is exactly what cleaning tech should be doing for us these days. Save us time, save us effort, and making the floors look like we actually know what we're doing and put them back to what they look like when we spent all that money on them in the first place. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.